Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alright, so in this video, I want to focus on Boeing because there's a lot of talk around Boeing in the markets right now. And I want to give you my technical view of what's going on right now with Boeing and where is it likely to go to and so on and so forth. So firstly, what we see here with Boeing, right, is we had a bit of a gap up through here, and then the market ran up, and then the market had a bit of a drop down. Look at that there. Look at this here. So this was the gap here. Look where the gap was. It actually gapped down, right? Gapped down to what? Closed the gap, and then it rallied up again. So we still have a bit of a gap up here, don't we, on Boeing? So it'd be really interesting to see whether we do come up and close that gap or not. But the thing is, as you can see, right, what do we have through here? So we have the market has ran down, came back up, and if we use the Fibonacci level, came back down from here to here, you can see how this was less than 50%, and now we've dropped back down. Now we've actually got another gap through here, don't we? So there's this thing gaps there all over the place. So it'd be really interesting to see what's happened through here. We came down, found a bit of bottom through here, ran up, it created a lower high, and now it broke back down. So it'd be really interesting if this lower high stays intact and the market cannot break above that, and we hold here and we start to break past these levels through here, right? This level through here. So this level through here, then Boeing looks like it's on its way down to around this $300 level. And there's pretty much no support. So we break this 260, and as you can see where it's actually holding a lot of support, this whole level of resistance through here is now holding the market being support. If we cannot hold this level and we break past 360, then it looks like Boeing is now coming, and looks like Boeing, look at this here, there's a little bit of support there, but there's pretty much no support through here. So it's pretty much a free and clear run down towards that 300 level. So if we do break that 360 level, then I'm expecting to see a lot more downside to come out of Boeing. Hey traders, I'm running a flash sale. It's a $7 flash sale to my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls trading course. If you go to johnsflashsale.com, you can get access to the $7 massive sale that I'm doing right now for a short time. So go to johnsflashsale.com and I'll see you over there.